Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick little guess what's in the bag box video. This is related to the tap and die. If you guys saw the die video and the tap videos a couple videos ago, then you'll know what this is for. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so if you guys have seen, like I said, the tap and die video, they were M12 by 1.25 tap and die. The tap I already used, the die ended up being the wrong item. This is related to that. Today is April 19th. It's a Tuesday, 2022. Not sure why this one's also stapled. But this item is, the bag is 6 inches by 9 inches and 1/8 of an inch by the thickest spot, 1 inch wide. You guys let me know what you think it is. Do you think it is a replacement die? Do you think it's a replacement tap? What do you guys think it is? I have the old package here. They ended up telling me to not send it back, and they ended up refunding me because I've been waiting for this for like two weeks or so. So here's the other die that I got. It says M12 by 1.25 on it. Package was completely destroyed, but the die I got was a M14 by 1.25, so it's the wrong die. So this one ended up being free to me. I don't have to send it back because of all the issues. So hopefully that gave you guys a couple of hints of what this is. It's actually not the exact same package size. So I need to go purchase, and these are all Drill America parts, or taps and dies. But I need to get the M14 by 1.25 tap now, since that one was a freebie. But it's just a quick video. What do you guys think is in the bag? Is it another die? Is it another tap? Maybe the die that I showed you may help you. Maybe it's a hint for you guys. Who knows? But, just a quick video. I also did get all of this cleaned up. So that is another thing. I got a couple things sitting here, like this bag and stuff. But all of the Napa CV axle boxes and everything that are out in the barn, I still got to work on a couple things here. In here, I also did get cleaned up as well. It's not as much as I wanted to, but there was 2 containers sitting here. There was this container, a bunch of boxes on this container. All the boxes that were on top of this container are gone. So these boxes right here are just burn boxes. So as you can see, I did get this all cleaned up. I need to clean this up a little bit more. I did clean this corner a little bit, so I just got to move 2 boxes. These are vehicle parts. One box has a bunch of 4Runner, the wood grain paneling stuff. Other box has a bunch of other miscellaneous 4Runner parts. These boxes have actual old seat covers in them because I put new seat covers in. So I put the old ones in here because they're not ripped or damaged. This is the box that we throw stuff in to burn. That's the basically we need garden ash. So this kind of got not messed with. These are burn boxes also. This bag, I had a bunch of 18-inch auger bits and stuff in this smaller bag that didn't fit very well. I moved them to this bag. This bag is full of it's full of you know, hammer drill handles, grinder handles, polisher handles, you know, auxiliary handles, stuff like that. That's everything in this bag. To make room in the toolbox for actual tools, that's what these are for. Upside down for that real quick. So I got my press kit here. I got this one right here is my tap and die set. And the tap and dies and stuff that I've gotten recently aren't in this set. I have a couple other sets outside. And this is my press kit. But you know, this room has gotten a lot cleaner. This is shade cloth for my wife's garden project that we've had that for about a month and a half. We're still working on the poles. Kind of got some stuff early. So I'm gonna start cleaning this section up right here, and all of this stuff was just shoved under the miter saw, and I scooted it all out. That's why it's messy here, because this was clean when the box was here. So or the totes were here, and the totes had a bunch of construction belts, you know, woodworking belts, stuff like that. You can put your tools on your waist. But got a couple harnesses in there too. But I put those out there because I didn't need them right now. So this needs to be cleaned up. These need to be burned. What's in this box needs to be burned. We usually don't burn this until it's full. You know, rice-a-ronies and stuff like that we throw in there. We don't. That's our way of recycling. But not too bad. You know, some of the blankets and stuff on this chair needs to be put in the closet, but it is what it is. I need to move the gas cans back into the newer 4Runner. All my pack out stuff. This Makita bag is full of Makita chargers. This bag has a flex charger and a couple DeWalt chargers in it. So next is, once all these boxes are destroyed, I'm gonna start cleaning up these totes. This tote is just full of bulbs, light bulbs, you know, automotive bulbs. The toolbox on the bottom, this dope Stanley box right there, that was the box that was in Sky. I need to put that box back in Sky. There is a couple parts that are from Sky in there. Sky's caliper is in there. I could probably just throw that box in there. But I threw the spare tire in the back. So I actually need to put the spare tire back under the truck. Which wasn't the spare tire at the time. I put the spare tire on the driver's side rear. That tire ended up getting pierced when the rim got shaved. So I put the spare tire on that driver rear, and then what I did is the tire that will not hold air, that tire I put in the back of the vehicle. I need it to be removed from the rim. I just haven't gotten time to do it. Yeah, bullseye. Lay down. So that's some information, some updates. This is still a little bit messy. It's actually not as bad as it looks. Just have a couple containers sitting on a container. Just need to throw away some of this stuff, to burn it, whatever. And then this section will be cleaned. I have a bunch of Rain-X bottles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Rain-X bottles over here. I need to move them out to the shed or the barn with all the automotive parts and automotive oil and everything. I'm fully stocked with oil, trans fluid, diff fluid, front rear diff fluid. These are the old brake lights that were on Rose, because I showed in a previous video, a couple videos ago, those. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will provide information in the Amazon links for these items. if you guys need them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!